Get ready with me for filming. We are filming for Transformation Academy. I'm so excited. I'm going to be filming with Tanya and Teresa. Y'all know Tanya and Teresa. They are amazing. Have I ever filmed a video with them? I don't even know. I'm so bad at taking my phone out and filming. I like to live like life in the moment, which is weird because I create content. I don't even know. I used to be one of those people that wanted to film everything because I wanted to have the memory, you know? But then I realized like you're like living this life from a like lens. That's how you're experiencing life. And then I realized I was experiencing life from a lens and I didn't enjoy that. And truthfully, do y'all ever go back and look at your videos and pictures? I really don't do it that much. Like, especially like if I've gone to like a concert or whatever, I'm not going back and watching those videos a year later. I'm just not. I love watching like, you know, people who do daily vlogs and stuff of their life, but I genuinely don't know how they do it because for me, it sounds mentally exhausting. Like I like to film like certain little things here and there, just like a highlight clip. You know what I mean? And then I want to go on enjoying myself being there and present in the moment. And I feel like if you have like a camera in your face, you're filming every second. Like how are you genuinely in that moment? I don't know. I don't know how they balance it, and no shade, no hate. I mean, I enjoy watching it. I just don't know. I don't know how they do it. I wish y'all could see my view right now. Like it's not pretty. There is like this sketchy building I'm staring at, and like there's a window and I can see like the doors open over there, and I'm just waiting for like a creepy old man to like stare at me while I'm doing my makeup. It's really freaking me out right now. But the building we're staying is so beautiful. But then like that is a little scary. I had to sleep with my door locked last night. No lie. Up here from downstairs not that long ago. Guys, I'm telling you, it's lights, camera, action down there. You should see that setup. Like I am thoroughly impressed. They are not filming this Transformation Academy with like phones. Like they're high tech down there. They have a videographer. I'm pretty sure she's a videographer down there. Like Tanya, Teresa, and Pop are going all out for you guys to give you these amazing resources. I'm just so grateful they even want me to be a part of this. All I'm trying to say is it's not rinky dinky, and they are putting a lot of time, energy, and resources into just making this so wonderful for you guys. It's amazing. And they were a little worried last night because there's construction going on, like jackhammers out there going. They're like, oh my gosh, you're going to hear that in the video. I don't think they're out there right now. Maybe they are. Yeah, actually, I think they are because I think I heard someone say something about construction going on down there. But like, hopefully they don't have the jackhammers going while we're filming. Where we're staying is so beautiful, but traffic is so loud. Originally, I was in a room like kind of at the front, and there's a lot of windows. And then I was like, oh, that's the street. I'm a super light sleeper. Like the littlest thing will jar me awake. We had to stay in a hotel like a week or two ago, and they put us in a room that like the freeway was just like, you could look out the window. There was the freeway. Every time somebody would hit those, what are like rubble strips, whatever they're called. I don't even know. You know what I'm talking about? Like if you fell asleep and you got off the road, like it's going to wake your butt up. Every time a car went off the road and, ran over that, oh my gosh, it woke me up out of my sleep. I got no sleep. My husband slept like a baby. The next morning he goes, oh, I slept fantastic. And I was like, lad, love that for you, not me. I'm exhausted. I'm the one that's going to do all the work today. So I told you guys I don't like to live like life behind a lens, which is funny because again, I'm a content creator, if you will. But I really want to try to film some more content while I'm down here because my excuse is I'm just always busy working or lifing, you know what I mean? Because I usually work over 50 hours a week, 6 days a week. And then again, I have a life outside of it, but I don't really have an excuse while I'm down here. Yes, I'm working. This is, a job for me, but I also, don't have an excuse that I'm sitting in an office all day long and exhausted from work. So I really want to try to push myself to really be the influencer this weekend and make videos. I feel like I'm not good at this. Like, who gave me this? I'm not good at this. I don't know if I will ever in my life be able to do an eyeshadow look without sparkle. Like it's ingrained in me. Like it is a necessity for life. Realizing I told you that I was getting ready to film with Tanya and Teresa for Transformation Academy and didn't even like really tell you what it was. You're probably like, okay, like what is that? So Tanya and Teresa have an online platform. It's like an app where they share videos that pertain to fitness, nutrition. They have recipe videos. It is so encouraging and motivating. Like these girls work hard. You need to check it out. And it doesn't matter how you've gone about your weight loss journey, or maybe you haven't even started your weight loss journey. It does not matter. Tanya and Teresa are there to help, be a support system. Plus, there's like this huge online community of people who are just, first off, so inspiring over there. And they're sharing encouragement. Plus, you can ask questions over there. And some of the pop ambassadors, including Tanya and Teresa, can answer you, or just other people. You know, it is so amazing, guys, to have support and community around you when you're on a journey, or you're just trying to maintain because you've already been on your journey. And I'm ready. Here is the OOTD. The lighting's not that great in here, so sorry. I can't show you the shoes because I don't go with this outfit. My shoes are in the car. But yeah, we're ready to go film. I don't know if I'll change outfits or not, but this is what we're wearing.